It's only 48 calories for these pumpkin chocolate chip muffins or 24 calories for the mini muffins. These are moist, delicious, and they can keep you in a calorie deficit. These are all the ingredients I start with. I use cashew milk, but you can use almond or oat. And I use Chobani vanilla yogurt because I ran out of plain. Make sure you use pumpkin puree, not the pumpkin pie filling. Mix those ingredients up and add your protein powder. I use Sweat Ethics cinnamon roll. You can use code FORMFIT and get 15% off. And here's a list of all the dry ingredients I add. I love that this is made in one bowl because I hate doing dishes, and it makes for an easy cleanup. Mixy, add your chocolate chips. I use Lily's. And you can either make 10 standard size muffins or 20 mini muffins. It's 48 or 24 calories depending on which size muffin you make. You can find this recipe and 11 others in my Everything Pumpkin ebook at thecaloriedeficitqueen.com.